And after the installation, all you have to do is press the lock button twice with one small interval. Just like that. And here you go, the car started. Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to install MyKey Premium Remote Start. I'm going to be working with Kia Forte. It is suitable for 2022 to 2025 models. This product is 100% plug and play. And for this model, we're going to be working with the push button start system. And if you have a regular key ignition start, we have a different product for you and a different video. But for this, we're going to be working with the push button. And it works with your original key. You don't need to have anything extra on your keychain. This product also has additional functions like smart timer and automatic lock. I'm going to show you after the installation. Now, let me show you how to install it. So in this package, you're going to get set of wire. This is a T-harness. What we're going to do is we're going to unplug some connectors from your car's module, plug them into here, and these three connectors will go back into your smart key module in your car. And you got a MyKey Premium module. For this specific model, make sure your dip switch is set up like this. 1 is down, 2, 3 are up, 4 is down. And on the right side, 1 is down and everything else is up. So this installation is going to take place right behind the glove box. We're going to be working with this connector, one here, one over there, and one all the way up there. And for this installation, you're not going to need any tools, just your hands. First, we're going to disconnect one connector, the one that is closer to you. Like that. You just have to press this pin and pull it out. Same thing with this one. You might need to use your second hand to press the pin. Same idea. And then the third connector is going to be all the way up there. Here it is. Now we're connecting my MyKey Premium T-harness. Black goes with black. Gray goes with gray. Just like that, and make sure these connectors are all the way in. And then the last one, the one that was all the way up top, it's the white one. So white connector will go in first, just like that. And when you do click it, make sure it's all the way. Now we'll do the gray one, same thing. And the last one is black. It's the closest one to us. Just like so. And now we're going to connect it to MyKey Premium module. The data connector will go first, and the power cable goes last, always. Here you go. Before you put everything together, make sure you test it first, and once everything is working as it should, you could simply put this module behind this panel. Right over there, there's enough space, and put the wire behind this carpet and tuck these wires up in there. And after the installation, all you have to do is press the lock button twice with one small interval. Just like that. And here you go, the car started. And once you set the car is still running. You're gonna see a tire pressure light on, which is totally fine. Now all you have to do is press the brake pedal, put in gear, and you're good to go. Now let me show you what will happen if I don't press the brake pedal and I'll just try to switch the gears. Now just remotely started the car, and now let me show you what will happen if I switch gears without pressing the brake pedal. The car is off. And also you have an additional function, smart timer. Now it will allow you to leave your car with your key and lock it, and the car will still running for 20 minutes. So let's say you're going to a store, you have a little puppy with you or something, and you want to make sure the puppy is getting some AC on, and but at the same time you want to have your keys with you and you want to lock the car. So after a drive, the car is running right now, I'm going to exit the car. I'll have the keys with me, and now all you have to do is press this little button on the door handle for 1 second, and the car will stay running for 20 minutes and it will remain locked. And here's how automatic door lock work. Let's say after a drive you forget to lock your car, and the car will lock itself in a few seconds. And here you go, the car locked. And also some Kia Forte already comes with the remote start in their key. And if you are wondering, would you be able to install MyKey Premium in your car without interfering with your remote start? The answer is yes, you can. It will work as an additional functions in your Kia Forte. To activate or deactivate these additional functions, the smart timer and the automatic door lock, all you have to do is press the brake, lock the doors on your door handle, and press the lock button twice on your key with one little interval. And in response, you're gonna hear either 2 clicks or 1 click. 1 click means the functions are off, and 2 clicks means the functions are on. So it's the same procedure. So if it's on, then turn it on the same way. Or if you want to turn it off, use the same steps and until you reach that 1 click. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope this video helps. If you find this video useful and you follow this video to install it in your car, please leave a comment down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.